Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see what is the Zoho Projects uses or the my user experience, personal user experience using this Zoho Projects, which is project management tool. See here, I have a banking app development app to be created for a client or the customer. So some banking team came to our office and asked to develop a banking application. So we are working on that. So I have created some tasks, and basing upon these tasks, how good this Zoho projects is useful for me. Don't consider this exactly as a Zoho projects review, but I'll tell you my user experience with this product. And remember, this is not the enterprise version. So just for this tutorial purpose, I used this Zoho free edition, free trial edition. So some of the options may be missing for me. If I say anything lacking in this video, maybe due to that point, you need to remember that. The first thing I really like about this Zoho projects is the dashboard. So when you click on this, any application, any project you are maintaining or working with this, the first thing is the dashboard. Within seeing at the first sight or the first look, you can get to know the status of your current working project. See here, see when I keep the cursor here, there are totally two tasks in process. So with this chart only, I can get to know, sir, what is the progress of the project currently going on. Not only that, I can use some pie charts, or I can use some donut charts. The pictorial or the graphical representation really making it easy. See the task progress chart. See here, this is 30%, 40, and if the graph is really exponential, then I can consider the work is really going good. So the dashboard customization, I really like it. For example, these are the upcoming work events. So yeah, everything here are in green, so not even a single task is due or behind. So if there is any task in the due, means if the end date is exceeded, then I can check this particular task and can make the decision on this. So I can contact this particular person who is the owner of this particular task, who is doing performing this task. I can take the feedback, and now I can take the decision, something like whether to allocate some more resources to this task. Maybe I can increase the employees working on this task particularly to make it fast. Are there any dependencies to this task to the other tasks? For example, few tasks will depend, like if only this particular task is completed, then the next task will be executed. In that case, I really keep very concentration on this particular task. I'll check based upon the priorities. So that is where I can click on the task and I can just check this Gantt chart. Okay, yeah, sorry. That will be available on the enterprise edition or the paid version. So yeah, when I click on the task, there are three options actually, Gantt chart and Kanban, and these two are really useful. This Gantt chart is all about we can check which task is lagging behind and which tasks are currently running on this particular week or this particular month. So that is pretty useful actually. And one more thing I really like about Zoho projects is this customization. For example, if I don't want this field, I can really make according to my choice. So yeah, easy customizations, very easy to understand. Okay, so yeah, just by looking at this, I can actually analyze, as anyway the reports will be there to quickly analyze the data. But without going to the report section only, here I can just check. See here, see the percentage of the completion of the tasks. So whatever is lacking behind, I can go to that particular task here and can check the status over here. What is the work going on here? I can read the comments. I can check if there are any subtasks. I can go through the documents, and I can take the decision. In project management, the good thing to have a successful project is always the decision making, to set the flaws, or if there is any work pending behind, I can make it work faster by allocating the resource or changing the resource. That may be persons or whatever it may be. Allocating the correct resources at correct point of time will make the project success. For all that to happen, we need to have this reports in any project management tool. And by checking on these reports, see, phases in the sense milestones, I can check, yeah, what is the status of the current task. So with the graphical representation, I can see for example, on hold there is one task. So why? There may be 100 tasks here on hold. I can talk to some team leaders or something like that. What is the reason for making these tasks on hold? Are there any dependencies? Are there any resources required, or whatever it may be? I can handle this. And coming to the drawback, or what I can say, one thing I observed is, for example, when I am creating a task, when I want to choose the custom fields on Zoho projects, maybe due to the trial version or not, I don't know, but I didn't see somewhere like to create a custom field. See here, these are all the available fields, but what I want to create a new custom field means, yeah. Okay, maybe this may be due to the free and the paid versions. And yeah, at some point of time I need some custom fields to add here, and for few I am unable to remove. I don't know why. For few the option is there. For few I am unable to remove this, and I don't know exactly. And I already told you this is not exactly a review video of the Zoho projects, just my user experience. Other than this, all the other things are very really easy to use. The first thing is easy to understand. Within just 2 days of time, I really quickly adapted and understood this whole Zoho projects, and even the phases in the sense milestones, where I can keep weekly or monthly sprints, or the milestones I can keep weekly, so that I can monitor which module is lacking behind, or which area I am just need to update myself or something like that. So to have the right way of going into the project, I can really make use of this Zoho project management tool. And there are email notifications. I receive a lot of email notifications, so those notifications are pretty useful, and the same notifications are reaching to all of the employees, so that is also very good. And within just checking the dashboard itself on the project, I can come to know what is the progress or the status of the task being executed, and what decisions I can make, and everything is really being useful. And please do comment what is your user experience of using this Zoho projects, if anyone are already using this, and what are the issues you are facing, maybe what are the additional features you are expecting, so that I'll also come to know. And yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.